A warm welcome to my channel. Well friends, in today's video we will be discussing about Salazar Techno Engineering Limited. If you have gone through the news recently, this company has actually announced a 1:1 bonus. Now what does that bonus mean and why I am recording this video? There are a couple of informations that I would like to share with you so that there is no panic selling tomorrow, because there are certain litigations to it. So we will be covering all these information. So one important thing, how many shares you will get, what can be the future price, and when is the record date and when is the last date to buy the shares. All these informations I'll be covering in this video. So let's begin. Before beginning, obviously you need a demat account. So if you want to open a demat account, I've given a link in the description. It's a very easy process. You can click on the link and open your account online. So let's go ahead and see what exactly the bonus ratio is. So the company is trading at 698 rupees. It's already 15.90, that is 2.33% up at this point of time. Now coming to the article, or if you go to the BSE website and search Salazar Techno, you will get this article. You can download this. You will get an idea of what exactly the bonus ratio is. So the bonus ratio, it states, is share of rupees 10 each for every one existing equity shares of rupees 10 each, subject to the approval. So that is 1:1. That means for every one share that you are holding, you will be getting another share free of cost. That means exactly the number of shares will double. So if you have 100 shares, tomorrow it will be 200. If you have 500, it will be 1000. So that is what the ratio is going to be. Now apart from ratio, there is one important thing which actually decides who will be eligible for this. So for that, you can see on the screen, 14th of July, that is Wednesday, is the record date when the company will decide who will be eligible for bonus. Now today when I'm recording this video, it's 12th of July, that is Monday. If you have idea, you know that for any stock to get listed in your demat account, it takes 2 days of time, because as per SEBI, 2 days is the settlement period. So if you want to participate in this bonus share, then 14th July on the record date, these shares should be there in your demat account. In order to do that, you have to make sure that you buy these shares by end of day today. So when you buy these shares today, so it will be credited to your account in T+2. So today is T, 13th July, that is tomorrow is T+1, and 14th July is T+2. So when the company prepare its books, you will be entitled for the bonus, because your name will be in the record books. So the 14th July is the record date. That means what is very important for you, just listen clearly, that today is the last day when you can actually buy. If you are not buying today, and if you think that you can buy at a cheaper price, then just wait, just ignore it. Tomorrow you will see that this stock is actually trading at an X date. So today when it's trading at approximately at 700 rupees, tomorrow is the execution date, the date when the execution takes place. So tomorrow you will see that the same stock will be trading somewhere around 350 rupees. So people who are already invested, people who already have these shares, do not panic, because this is momentarily. Bonus takes at least 2 to 3 weeks to get credited. So even if you see that your portfolio is 50% in loss, there's nothing to panic, just hold on. The shares will eventually come up. And people who are new, those who want to participate, either they can buy today if they want bonus, and if you are not interested in bonus, then just wait. Once the execution is taken over tomorrow, you can easily buy this share at 350 rupees. That's a very simple way of understanding how bonus works. Now if I take you to the Excel sheet, just to give you a better explanation. So 1:1 means for every one share you get one share free. So assuming the share price is 695 and you have 100 shares at before recorded, so you have invested around 69,500 rupees. Face value is 10, and after bonus face value remains 10. There is no bonus separations. In bonus, generally face value do not breaks. So bonus, after bonus also face value remains same. But as I said, 1:1 is the bonus. So for every one share you get one share free. So you have 100 shares before bonus, after bonus it becomes 200. But there is a correction in the share price, because obviously company is not going to give you anything for free. So obviously number of shares increases, but number of the share price at which it's trading also reduces. So your shares from 100 becomes 200, but the share price from 695 it corrects to 348 rupees. So if you multiply 348 by 200, you still come down to the same amount. So the bottom line or the summary is, in bonus your number of shares doubles if it is 1:1, but the share price halves because it is obviously 1:1. But the benefit you get is, in long run, if you are a long-term investor, your dividend also gets doubled. So before, for every share you get 10 rupees dividend, for example 1000 rupees is the dividend, but after bonus, for the same investment without doing anything, your dividend will become 2000 because your number of shares has increased. So that is the benefit of taking part in any of the bonus shares, that without investing you get additional shares of the company. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this content, what is very important is make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon and click on the like button as well. Share this video with your friends and colleagues and put in the comments whatever suggestions, or if you want me to make any video on any other topic, do suggest and let me know what are the contents that you want me to come up with. I'll try to make videos and upload as soon as possible. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you have liked the content. One more important thing, I have given my Twitter and Telegram links in description. Telegram is my free public channel. You need to join that channel because there are a lot of small tips and tricks I keep sharing. It's not always possible that I make videos for every topic. So if you are with the Telegram channel, you can actually get real-time updates. And also I sometimes shares multi-bagger stocks. So it's always good that you join my Telegram channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with something informational as soon as possible. Take care.